Hello students, in earlier classes we have studied about the concept of national income, different methods of national income, different calculations of national income. In today's class we also discuss that different practical problems of national income. In earlier classes we have also discussed this practical implication of income method. Today we will discuss the practical question of expenditure method. Information is available to you. Let me read out to you at once. What is the information? As you can see, government final consumption expenditure 100, private final consumption expenditure is 20, net imports is 5, net domestic capital formation is 10, change in stock 5, net indirect tax is 10, net factor income to abroad is -5, and undistributed profit is 25. This is the information available to us. Okay. First of all, the information is available of expenditure method. So I have written expenditure method over here. Now, what is the formula of expenditure method? GDP and MP. GDP and MP is calculated with the help of C plus G plus I plus X minus M. C plus G plus I plus X minus M is the formula. C is for private final consumption expenditure, G is for government final consumption expenditure, I is for investment expenditure, and X minus M is net export. This was the formula. Okay, let's see what are the information is available to us. Private final consumption expenditure is directly available to us, so we can directly write C. Government final consumption expenditure is also directly available to us. We can also write directly G. C and G are directly available to us. Now let's come to I. What is I? Investment expenditure. If you remember, I have told you that I has two components: fixed investment and inventory investment. That is fixed investment and change in stock. Fixed investment and change in stock. Change in stock is directly available to us. We don't have to do anything about it. 5. Change in stock is available to us. But fixed investment is not available to us. Or is it available? As you can see, fixed investment is also available to us. If you see, I is also available to us. Sorry, fixed investment is also available to us. Fixed investment, what was the other name of fixed investment? Gross domestic fixed capital formation. Gross domestic fixed capital formation. That was the other name of the fixed investment. Here we can see net domestic fixed capital formation is available to us. Instead of gross domestic fixed capital formation, net domestic fixed capital formation is available to us. But fixed capital formation is available to us, so we can use this fixed capital. Net, what will happen because of net, we will discuss that later. Okay, that is 10 plus 5. Net domestic capital formation is fixed investment, that is 10, and change in stock is 5. So if we add together, we will get to I, that is investment expenditure. Okay, next is X minus M. X minus M was net exports. Net export, export minus import. Export minus import is net export. Now, what is the information is available to us? Information is available to us, that is net imports, not net exports. Net export is not available to us. Net import is given to us. What does that mean? This means that export minus import. In this formula, imports are more than export. That's why we have written net imports. एक्सपोर्ट माइनस इंपोर्ट जब आप करेंगे तब वो उसमें इंपोर्ट ज्यादा है, इसीलिए आपने यहां पे नेट इंपोर्ट वर्ड लिखा है एक्सपोर्ट माइनस इंपोर्ट पे. सो द पॉइंट टू रिमेंबर इज व्हेनेवर यू गेट नेट इंपोर्ट्स, whenever you get net imports, that means x minus m is in negative. X minus m is in negative. So we have written -5. you'll arrive at GDP at MP. You have got C, you have got G, you have got I value, and you have got x minus n, that is negative 5. Wrong. You'll do a basic mistake. What's the basic mistake? Because we have used net word here. We have not used gross word here. We have used net word here. So we will not arrive at GDP. We will arrive at NDP. Because of this word, this G has changed into N. Instead of gross, we are using net. This is the difference that has been created because of this net word. If gross domestic fixed capital formation would have been available to us, we would have used G. We would have used GDP at ND. But because NDP and net domestic fixed capital formation is available to us, that's why we will use NDP. So from this NDP at MP, you have to calculate national income. What is national income? Let me give you a hint. What is national income? National income is NNP at HC. Okay, that would be your homework. We have arrived to NDP at HC. We are 2 steps away from NNP at HC. Information is available to you. Now you have to calculate NNP at FC. So calculate NNP at FC with the help of this information. This is the homework available to you. Okay? ठीक है, ये एक और मेथड हमने कर लिया है, थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड मेथड था, इसको हमने देख लिया क्या कॉम्प्लिकेशन आ सकती है, नेट ड्रॉप की वजह से क्या हो सकता है, नेट इंपोर्ट की वजह से क्या हो सकता है। ये सब सीबीएसई के एग्जाम्स में आए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं जो आपको वहां पे कंफ्यूज करते हैं एग्जाम में। अभी आगे प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे तो आपको वहां पे प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी। चलिए कैलकुलेट कीजिए एनएनपी एट एफसी। दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे, वी विल कंटिन्यू इन नेक्स्ट क्लास। थैंक यू।